Hello, I'm Rahul, and today is our topic Conference of the Parties COP. So, basically, climate change is one of the most pressing global challenge of our time, requiring international cooperation and long-term commitment. In response to this urgency, the United Nations established the Conference of the Parties COP, a pivotal gathering where world governments come together to discuss and negotiate climate action. The COP play a central role in global efforts to tackle the climate change and implement solutions that promote environment sustainability, equity, and resilience. The term COP stands for Conference of the Parties, um, referring to the governing body of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, which was adopted at the Earth Summit in Rio de Janeiro in 1992. The parties to the UNFCCC, uh, about 197 countries in total, meet annually at COP conference to assess the progress and addressing climate change and to set new goals for the future. The first COP meeting, known as the COP1, was held in Berlin in 1995. Since then, this conference have become the most important global forum for the climate policy. Each COP serves as a platform for negotiating international agreements, reviving national climate action plan, and promoting cooperation between developed and developing countries. One of the most significant milestone in the COP history was COP21, held in Paris in 2015, where countries adopted the Paris Agreement. This legally binding agreement aimed to the limit global warming to well below the 2 degrees Celsius, with effort to stay below 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial level. The Paris Agreement marked a turning point by the requiring all countries to submit nationally determined contribution (NDCs), individually plans to reduce emissions and adapt to climate impacts. In additionally, in addition to setting emission targets, COPs also focus on the critical issues such as climate finance, technology transfers, and loss and damage for instance, developed nations have pledged to mobilize 100 billion dollar annually to support climate action in developing countries, a topic that is frequently discussed and debated at the COP session. Recent conference have also emphasized the need for a just transition, ensuring that the shift to conference have also emphasized the need for a just transition and ensuring that the shift to low carbon economies does not leave vulnerable population behind. The significance of COP conference was extend behind negotiation between the diplomats. They also serve as a gathering place for thousands of stakeholders, including scientists, environmental organizations, indigenous groups, youth activists, and business leaders. This voice help shape the global climate conversations and push for the greater push for the greater ambition and accountability. Thank you.